All right, welcome back to the Pure Roundtable discussion with our double board certified surgeons here. Our next question is for Dr. Vidal. So our patients come to us, they invest a ton of time, energy, money into getting these procedures. What do you recommend to help them maintain those procedures long term and get the best results and the best bang for their buck?
Great question, and something that people don't usually think about. They think about the surgery and that initial recovery period, those initial 3 months of the massages, the compression, and then once they're done, it's like, I did the surgery and that's it. But if you don't have a little bit of complementation to those initial recovery period changes that you did, your results are going to be affected, and it's not going to be a big change maybe in a year or two, and the results that you achieved in that surgery are lost, and that's not the point, right? So of course we talk a lot about diet and exercise, and I think that's the number one, right? Like, you have to change the way you see your daily lifestyle, right? Eating healthy, maintaining that weight long term, it's very important for your results. But also adding things that complement, for example, skincare. If you're doing a face procedure, there are some body also creams that have retinoids that are extremely important to improve the skin quality overall. Rest, buttock. We age not only our face, but we age in our entire body. So adding those medical grade skincare things to complement the results is extremely important. And also maintaining with non-invasive treatments. I think Morpheus is a great option for maintaining results, maintaining that skin quality and that turgor of the skin, not only in the face and neck area, but you can do it at the abdomen, you can do it in your thighs and your buttock, and maintaining that long term, I think it helps a lot. In the face, you can consider peels, which are extremely helpful to get rid of that dead skin layer that we accumulate over time and kind of rejuvenate your face without needing to do then a facelift every 5 years,
Yeah, and I gotta say, as the oldest guy here, that I've seen plenty of beautiful early results get kind of quote unquote ruined in the long term. Okay, and that's because it's not just about the surgery and then the initial recovery and that's it, but you really need to maintain those results. So as I always say, the best is all three, right? So the combination of surgery, nutrition, and exercise to try to maintain those results for the long term. Because at the end of the day, that's what we really want. It's not a short-term investment; it's a long-term investment.
100% agree with that. You should use your surgery as an opportunity to jumpstart your new life and your fitness journey, and use it as an inspiration because you've already seen a dramatic change. Capitalize on that, keep it going, because it's disappointing when you've gone through all that work and effort. You have large fluctuations in weight. Use it as a new starting point to build back better than ever.
Definitely. And being a mom and a surgeon and having to manage both roles, I know that it's hard. I know that it's difficult. But like Dr. Wegerif mentioned, use the surgery as that your impulse and your source to go back to that time and prioritize yourself. Prioritize, because if you're not healthy, you're not going to be there for your kids or for anybody else. So use that as your fuel.